party! Kids, let's begin our lesson. We have a new friend joining us today. He is the Health Guardian. He will recommend nutritious dishes that are delicious and healthy. I am the Health Guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together.
Guardian, what should I eat?
Leave this problem to me. According to your condition, fruit and vegetables are recommended. Lots of fruit and vegetables help you keep oral health. Vegetable soup. Tomato. Carrot. Broccoli. Eating more carrots can make your eyes brighter. Slide to cut the ingredients.
Tomato is very healthy food.
Take the tomatoes out. Slide to cut the ingredients. Broccoli is rich in vitamins. It's good for our health. Drag the tap to rinse the broccoli.
Let's see. What should we add to the pot?
More fresh vegetables will freshen your breath. Fruit and oatmeal smoothie. Watermelon. Banana. Grape. Banana enables you to poop easily and prevents getting fat. Slide to cut the ingredients. Watermelon is sweet and juicy. It's your good friend in summer. Grapes are rich in vitamins as well. Oatmeal is nutrient-dense food. Let's see what needs to be added to the oatmeal. A yummy mixture of fruit, oatmeal, and yogurt keeps you healthy. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. Healthy food is so tasty. Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. Do not be a picky eater. You have to eat a variety of foods. That's what makes you strong. Tomato sandwich. Tomato is very healthy food. Take the tomatoes out. Slide to cut the ingredients. Mash the tomatoes. Bread is nutritious, but overeat is not advisable. Healthy vegetables keep illness away. Vegetable meatball. Corn is indeed healthy food. Peas are rich in nutritions. Slide to cut the ingredients. Meat could keep our bodies fit. Turn the meatballs over. Balance of meat and vegetables keeps you fit and strong. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So delicious! Guardian, what should I eat? Leave this problem to me. According to your condition, these two kinds of food are recommended. Fruit and vegetables enable you to poop easily. Fruit and yogurt salad. Grape. Pear. Banana. Pear is refreshing and tasty. Slide to cut the ingredients. Grapes are rich in vitamins as well. Banana enables you to poop easily and prevents getting fat. Slide to cut the ingredients. Lettuce enables you to poop easily, and it is also rich in vitamin C. A cup of yogurt a day keeps you healthy and fit. Juicy and sweet fruits will sweeten your smile. Mashed potatoes with corned beef. Delicious potato can give us energy. Slide to cut the ingredients. Steam the potatoes first. Let's mash the potatoes. Corn is indeed healthy food. drag the scissor to slice the beef. Eating potatoes could refill your energy. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So yummy.
Thank you, Miss Baby and Guardian.